Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Thursday, November the 4th, 2010. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and a very bullish day, an extremely bullish day actually. Very large green-bodied candle. Now, with the market opening at the low and closing at the high, this is the strongest type of candle that we can have. It's a white Maribozu, and that denotes the buyers being in control when the market closed at the end of the day. It denotes very strong commitment from the buyers. Now, the market tested this area of important resistance at 12.19, and we can see this was a major swing high previously that happened quite some time ago, and a very important juncture for this market at the moment. This market has just traded above that area, closed just above that level, and it's very important for this market to go on if we're going to continue the bullishness and test higher resistance. The area here, though, at around 12.19 acts as a zone. So the market is closed at 12.21, and the resistance will still have its influence around this 12.21 point where the market closed at. So even though we've had a bullish close above there, it doesn't mean that the market will go on with the bullishness and that it has been a successful test of this resistance. We will need to see, for the market to continue, we will need to see the market make a higher high and a higher low. So that will mean taking out the 12.21. And if the market takes that out in a very bullish way, then there's a very good chance that the market will eventually test resistance up around 12.65. There is absolutely no strong resistance anywhere between the region that we're trading at now, around 12.19 to 12.65, except for one minor previous swing low, which was around 12.35, and it's only a minor level. So one minor level of resistance on the way up. So if the market can, in a bullish way, trade above this area, then there's a very good possibility that before too long we might be trading up around 12.65. Having said that, though, when we see the market make extremes as we did today with this very large bullish candle, they tend to need to take a rest, and it wouldn't surprise if the market began trading sideways, if we saw some indecisive type candles, or even a partial retracement of this candle. So we do need to watch for any lack of follow-through from the bulls in the next few days trading. Just with regard to Ichimoku, we are trading up above the cloud, so the market has an overall positive bias. Still trading a fair way up above the cloud, so the market still is looking a little overextended, although if we look at the cloud is actually now trending up with the market, so and will meet the market, or will get closer to the market as we continue trading along. And that's if the market doesn't continue the fast pace of momentum that it's had over the recent past. So the market is basically moving to its equilibrium. In the future, we can see here where the cloud is trading at in a future time period. So eventually, if the market does consolidate, then it will be trading closer to the cloud, perhaps. With regard to the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, the market's trading up above both of those indicators, and that denotes that the market is bullish in the medium-term time frame and in the fast-term time frame. Both of those indicators are pointing up very sharply, and that reflects the very strong upside momentum that this market has at the moment. We can see here previously how all of these fast-moving trends have coincided with very sharp upward movements in the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. So the next trading day is very important for this market. As I've said, this area of resistance will act as a zone. It will have its influence on the market where it's trading at 12.21. If we do take that out, the high of 12.21 with a very bullish close, then there's only minor resistance at 12.35, and then nothing much until 12.65. to the downside, we have good solid support that we should expect around 1200 and below. But I doubt that the market will come off very sharply. If we don't take out this very strong bullish test of the resistance, then we may see some ranging, some indecisive type candles, and more of a sideways movement than a retracement.